Artificial intelligence is one of the most confusing terms in modern technology. We hear it everywhere in news headlines, in marketing ads, in job descriptions. But most of the time, when people say AI, they don't actually mean the same thing. Some people imagine thinking machines, some imagine robots replacing humans, some thinks AI is just ChatGPT. In this video, we are going to slow everything down and clearly answer one question. What is artificial intelligence really? Not in a futuristic sense, but in an engineering sense. Hello guys, welcome to TechAutopsy, where we perform dissection of each topic until it makes sense. Before we go any further, it is important to understand why definition matters. Without a clear definition of AI, every software feels like an AI. Every automation is called AI, and expectation becomes unrealistic. A bad definition creates hype, a good definition creates clarity, and in technology, clarity always beats hype. Once we clearly define AI, you will automatically understand where AI works well, where it fails, and where it behaves the way it does. The easiest way to understand AI is to first understand what it is not. AI is not same as traditional software. Most of the softwares we have used for decades follows a predictable pattern. To understand AI, we must first break this pattern. Traditional software is based on explicit instruction. A human developer first understands the problem, second thinks about possible scenarios, and then writes rules to handle them. The computer does not make decisions, it only executes instruction. If the rules are correct, the output is correct. If the rules are incomplete, the software fails. Let's take a very simple example. If the temperature is greater than 30 degree, turn on the air conditioner. This works perfectly as long as temperature is the only factor. But real life is never that simple. What if humidity matters? What if room is very cold? What if user prefers natural air? Suddenly, one rules become 10 rules, 10 rules become 100. Over time, the system becomes hard to maintain, hard to extend, and easy to break. Hence, rule-based system fails when the environment becomes complex and dynamic. Artificial intelligence was created to handle this exact problem. Instead of explicitly telling the computer what to do in every situation, we allow the computer to learn from data. This is the single biggest shift AI introduced. Decision making moves from human written rules to data driven models. At this point, a very important clarification is needed. Artificial intelligence doesn't mean artificial humans. AI systems do not think, feel, understand, or have intentions. They don't know why they make decisions. They only knows how to optimize outcomes. Confusing this leads to unrealistic expectations. A commonly accepted definition of AI is artificial intelligence refers to systems that perform tasks which normally require human intelligence. Notice what this definition focuses on: task, performance, and outcome. Not consciousness, not awareness, not emotion. AI is judged by behavior, not by internal experience. Most AI falls into three broad categories: perception, interpreting image, audio, or text; prediction, forecasting future outcome based on past data; decision making, choosing an action among many options. Almost every AI product you see fits somewhere in these categories. Let's use a real world example again. Spam email detection. This problem looks simple from the outside, but inside it's extremely complex. Spammers constantly changes words, links and tactics. Therefore, static rules cannot keep up. A rule like if email contains the word free, mark it as spam will fail almost immediately. Spammer adapts to such kind of rule. Rule-based systems are reactive. AI-based systems are adaptive. An AI-based spam filter learns from examples. It observes thousands of email and notices patterns like word combination, formatting style, sender's behavior, and many more. It doesn't know what spam means. It only knows which pattern correlate with spam. This is intelligence at scale, not understanding. Now let's clear a very common confusion. Artificial intelligence is the umbrella term. Machine learning is a subset of AI focused on learning from data. Deep learning is further subset that uses multi-layered neural network. Not all AI uses ML, but most modern AI does. In the following video, we will have a separate video which will differentiate between AI, ML, deep learning, and agentic AI. So stay tuned for that. AI is powerful tool, but it operates within limited framework and cannot replicate human intelligence. One critical truth about modern AI is it is narrow. An AI that detects spam cannot drive a car. An AI that recognizes face cannot write poetry. Each AI system is built for a specific task. Human intelligence is general. Human transfer knowledge across domain. Machine cannot. In artificial intelligence, human level flexible intelligence does not exist today. And understanding this prevents fear and misinformation. If AI is not human like, why does it feel so powerful? That is mainly because of three reasons: massive amounts of data, extremely fast computation, and very advanced improved algorithms. Scale creates the illusion of intelligence, but illusion is not same as understanding. Artificial intelligence focuses on leveraging data to enhance decision-making process across various industries and applications. Artificial intelligence is not about building minds. It's about building systems that can make decisions using data instead of rules. In the next video, we will dive into machine learning, the core mechanism that makes AI work. This is where model, data, and training comes together. If you truly want to understand AI from inside out, please like, share, and subscribe to TechAutopsy. Thank you.